purple sweet potato cakes. Ingredients: 1 pound purple sweet potatoes, peeled. 3 tablespoons lukewarm water, or more as needed. 1 cup glutinous rice flour. 1 tablespoon olive oil, or as needed. Preparation: place a steamer insert into a saucepan and fill with water to just below the bottom of the steamer. Bring water to a boil. Add sweet potatoes, cover, and steam until tender, about 20 minutes. Mash sweet potatoes in a bowl using a potato masher. Let cool, about 10 minutes. Mix water into the rice flour, 1 tablespoon at a time, until a pliable dough forms. Divide dough into walnut-sized balls. Roll out balls of dough into thin rounds on a flat work surface. Drop spoonfuls of mashed sweet potato onto half of the rounds. Cover with remaining rounds. Press edges together to form little cakes. Heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Cook cakes in batches until golden brown, about 3 minutes per side.